come back again for learning Thai with Tuk today. And today we're gonna still learn the category of the word in the category of ornament. So the next one that I'm gonna teach you is when you pierce the ears, you have to wear the earring. Mostly you have to wear the earring. So the earring in English, but in Thai we say ตุ้มหูตุ้มหู or ต่างหูต่างหูต่างหูตุ้มหู or ต่างหู You can use both words for the word earring in English. For example, My daughter wear the earring today. ลูกสาวของฉันใส่ตุ้มหูวันนี้ So, one more time together. My daughter wear the earring today. My daughter ลูกสาวของฉัน wear ใส่ the earring ตุ้มหู or ต่างหู today วันนี้ Okay, so one more time together before we go. Earring in English, but in Thai we say ตุ้มหู or ต่างหู So in case that you have any question, just leave me the comment and thank you very much for supporting me and see you soon. Bye bye.